The well-known Scheffel-Apotheke pharmacy in Lüffingen, southern Germany. Owner and pharmacist Dr. Frank Seifert and his team have for years supported people in the region with competent advice and a comprehensive range of products. But what most customers don't know, behind the picturesque front is a highly modern pharmacy, which uses innovative systems and processes to automatically ensure the quality of drugs, vaccines, or laboratory probes. However, that wasn't always the case. In the past, the temperature and humidity values at which the valuable goods are stored were laboriously taken down by hand. There were no automatic alarms in case of limit value violations, and if the environmental conditions changed over the weekend, the responsible people didn't find out until Monday. That's why for several years the Scheffel-Apotheke has relied on the Testo Saveris 2 wireless LAN data logger system to ensure quality. The solution from the measurement technology specialist Testo makes sure that the often sensitive drugs and vaccines are stored at the prescribed temperature and humidity values. This is the only way to ensure that all applicable guidelines and norms are adhered to and that the effectiveness of vaccines, for example, is not at risk. This provides the pharmacy's team with three crucial advantages. 1. Even on the weekend, they keep an eye on all measurement values without needing to be on site. 2. They are automatically provided with alarm notifications of limit value violations by SMS or email. 3. Since manual documentation is eliminated, they benefit from more efficiency in daily business. This is how the wireless LAN data logger system works. Compact, highly precise data loggers measure and document temperature and humidity values fully automatically. They transmit the data by wireless LAN to the cloud, where they are securely stored. There, they can view and analyze all information at any time and from anywhere on a mobile end device or by computer. And if limit violations occur, Testo Saveris 2, of course, immediately triggers an alarm. So, the wireless LAN data logger system Testo Saveris 2 supports pharmacies with flexible data loggers, automatic recording of critical measurement values, secure storage in the cloud, flexible analysis via any internet-capable end device, as well as reliable alarm notification. What I found especially useful for the installation of the system were the numerous how-to videos.
Besonders gut gefallen hat, waren die How-to-Videos, einfach.
They explained step-by-step how to install the data loggers.
Und bei Bedarf stand natürlich das Testo-Team auch noch zur Verfügung.
That meant the commissioning went smoothly. And if a question then did turn up, the Testo team was always there for us.
Eine 100%ige Sicherheit für die
Testo Saveris 2 is the optimum solution for our pharmacy because the system allows us to ensure the safety and quality of drugs and vaccines to 100% and without any great effort.
Und ich muss zusammenfassend betonen, dass ich
So I would recommend the system unreservedly to my colleagues.
und auch bestens empfehlen kann. Ich bin sehr zufrieden damit.